This black Samsung 23.5-inch curved LED backlit computer monitor has an ultra-slim and sleek profile that comes with Full HD resolution. With Full HD resolution, you can see fine details and textures with vivid colors and clarity. The 23.5-inch Full HD monitor comes with a 16:9 aspect ratio that provides clear and immersive visual experience across a wide viewing angle. The 1800R curvature of the screen is inspired by human eye and provides a truly immersive viewing experience that lets you enjoy panoramic views while you work or play. Samsung's active crystal color technology lets you experience vibrant and vivid colors. The high contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and bright whites so you can clearly see even in the darkest or brightest scene. The Samsung monitor comes with AMD FreeSync technology that allows you to see the fast on-screen motion clearly and smoothly with less motion blur, judder and ghosting. The Eye Saver mode optimizes your viewing comfort by reducing blue light emissions and flickers, allowing you to use the monitor for long hours without eye strain or fatigue. The Eco Saving Plus feature reduces screen brightness to save power. The monitor has one VGA port, one HDMI port and one headphone port for easy connectivity. This monitor comes with power cable length, D-sub cable and quick setup guide. This Samsung monitor comes with 3 years brand warranty. You can avail EMI options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.